So starting the test drive in this Tiguan, the 8-speed's just struggling just a little bit here, just threw on the check engine light. So it's flashing at me now. We'll see if that's just a weird thing it's going through because we're just starting the test drive, or if it stays on. This is an 80,567 mile car. So yeah, the light's off now, and then it's shifting weird again. So definitely something wrong here. So it's giving me a weird shake and vibration. We're still gonna put our foot into it getting on the interstate here. So it seems to be driving normally now. Still getting a bit of vibration, but it's much more controlled now. It's not giving me that shudder. And there it goes there. It's almost like when it gets into the higher gear, it starts to do that. See what happens when I put it into the manual shift mode. So yeah, very interesting there. I'm gonna keep it in the sport mode for now. And then we do have adaptive cruise here. So I can set the speed there. And then especially in the higher gear there, it doesn't seem to have an issue, at least as of now. I do like that we have the blind spot monitors in this one. Certainly come in handy. But yeah, that transmission shutter is definitely not supposed to be there, especially with this. I don't know what this EPC light means, but definitely something up here. Now, with this being a Volkswagen, I wouldn't be surprised if there was some kind of weird computer thing that's causing the vehicle to act like it is now. Might be a simple fix, maybe a sensor or something is out, I don't know, but definitely have an issue here. And I don't know if this is a common problem with this model year around this kind of mileage or what, but again, it's definitely, if you have this issue, take it in somewhere, because you don't want to be out here with a struggling engine that's out here puttering randomly. But specifically with the lower RPMs, it seems to be more of an issue. I'm gonna try to give it a pull here though, even with this light on. So certainly a potent engine, I think. Shifts relatively quickly. Of course, it's shifting hard or whatever because of what it's going through, but I mean, the good things about this car is it feels luxurious on the inside. Love having the blind spot monitors, the adaptive cruise, the sunroof. So I don't even know if this might be an SEL premium. I don't know much about Volkswagens to really say, and I couldn't find any info on it from the window sticker or the Carfax, but it does have the leatherette interior. So not sure, again, about the trim levels with this one in particular, that in that model year. But overall driving dynamics I like. Again, the powertrain itself is not in perfect working order, but just the overall steering, the braking, and then just the ride quality is pretty good. And just, as you can see, I'm still getting 30 miles per gallon here. But definitely not a bad vehicle. in terms of just the exterior aesthetics, the interior, all the features you get with this one in particular. Just got to figure out what's going on with this powertrain that's making it drive like this at 80,000 miles. But with all this being said, this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2018 Volkswagen Tiguan SEL.